Hi everybody, Greg Davis here at MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at a new brokerage boat I just received, a 2012 Boston Whaler 220 Outrage. Has a Lowrance GPS fish finder with radar, a 250 Mercury Verado. Boat is in great shape. Give you a quick look at the hull here and give you a walkthrough interior wise. Has a nice walkthrough, easy in and out. Has the big livewell leaning post. Has the back bench seat that folds out of the way for fishing. Give you a good look. Big fish boxes in the floor. Stereo, Raymarine VHF, trim tabs. Walking forward. Got the bow filler cushion, anchor windlass. This one also has a porta potty in it. It's in great shape. Perfect boat for fishing and cruising in the Savannah area. If you'd like more information on this boat or any boat that we have here at MarineMax in Savannah, feel free to give us a call, area code 912-897-9881. Thank you very much.